Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert cells and shift down in Google Sheets file. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets file. Firstly then show the Google Sheets file is the text. Is the insert cells and shift down. Now select from the any text. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click with the cells option. Now click with the insert cells and shift down option. That's it. Then again other text. Select. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click with the cells option. Now click for insert cell and shift down option. That's it. Then again other option. Other text is the same process. That's it. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.